How to teleport to Woodland Mansion in Minecraft. So first, what you need to do is make sure that your cheats are enabled. And once that's done, just simply open up your chat and commands and just type in locate, then structure, then just type in mansion just like so. Now just simply click on enter. And here it will say here on the bottom that it says the nearest Minecraft mansion is at 5712. So these are basically the coordinates. So we are 4,391 blocks away. And for Minecraft Java, you just simply need to open up chat and commands again and click on the highlighted text or coordinates right there. And it will simply type in this command right here. But if you're in Bedrock, you just simply need to type in this one. So it is slash, then TP at S, which means yourself, then 5712, and you just simply need to copy these coordinates just like this, follow this format. Now just simply type in enter, and here you will be basically teleported here on the mansion right here. As you can see, we are now on the mansion. You can basically go search for or go around the mansion like this, but that's how I basically teleport to the Woodland Mansion in Minecraft.